Diamond Mowers builds the toughest mower and mulching equipment in the market. Strong, powerful mowers with reliable, quality results. But we're not done yet. Our second-generation skid-steer rotary mower is ideal for large-scale brush-clearing operations, able to clear acres of overgrown fields fast. Available in 60-inch, 72-inch, or 84-inch, Diamond skid-steer rotary mowers are compatible with standard or high-flow machines and cuts trees and brush up to 10 inches in diameter. Skid-steer rotary mowers from Diamond Mowers. Tough, strong, durable. Everything you've come to expect from a Diamond. Diamond Mowers. Demand brilliance.